Lice infestations are a common problem for many people. But how can you tell if you or someone in your family has lice? In this video, we will show you how to spot lice and what to do if you find them. Lice are tiny insects that can live on the human scalp. They feed on the blood and can cause itching, redness, and soreness. If you suspect that you or someone in your family has lice, it's important to know what to look for. Start by understanding what lice look like. They're small, about the size of a sesame seed, and can be brown or gray in color. They move quickly and can be difficult to see without a magnifying glass or good source of light. To spot lice, begin by examining the scalp, neck, and behind the ears. These are the most common places where lice are found. Divide the hair into small sections and examine each one carefully. Use a fine-toothed comb to go through each section of hair, moving it slowly from the roots to the ends. Look for the lice that are crawling around on the scalp or hair. If you see any lice, take note of their location and number. You should also check for lice eggs known as nits, which are small, oval-shaped, and can be found attached to the hair shaft near the scalp. Nits are often mistaken for dandruff, but they cannot be easily brushed off. It's important to check other items that come into close contact with the hair, such as hats, headphones, and bedding. Repeat the process in a week to ensure that all lice have been removed. If you do find lice, there are several treatment options available. Over-the-counter medications, prescription treatments, and home remedies can all help eliminate lice. It's important to follow the instructions carefully and repeat the treatment as recommended. To prevent future lice outbreaks, practice good hygiene habits. Avoid sharing personal items such as combs, brushes, and hats. Wash and change bedding frequently and vacuum any furniture that may have come into contact with lice. In conclusion, spotting lice can be challenging, but with a little bit of patience and persistence, you can successfully get rid of them. Don't let lice ruin your day. Follow these simple steps and be lice-free in no time. If you like this video and find it useful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our awesome content. Show us some love by liking, sharing, and commenting on this video. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching.